So hello everyone, my name is Gerald. I am from University of Negros Occidental Recoletos. Yes, I would love now to introduce to you and to present what is affine transformation. So first, let us first define what is the meaning of this topic. So first, affine transformation is a linear mapping method that preserve points, straight lines in place. So which means it is a simply transforming a line in the word itself. I have here a lot of example like rotation. So rotation means it is only a way, or it's only a method that you only rotating a object. Like for example, also mirroring, scaling, translation, and shearing, and uniform scaling. So we have here a six examples. What is affine transformation? I have here a pre-image can solve. So I created a problem for us to solve so that we can evaluate this or we can come up a new object. So first, this is the problem. Find the image when it is scaled by -2 in the x direction and -2 in the y direction, then rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise at the point about 0, 0, and finally sheared by 1 in the x and y direction. So we will go back to the example. So which means the one that we use is rotation, scaling, and shearing. So we use these three method. So let's go back to solve the problem. Since there is a given pre-image, which means this is a vertices, we have six vertices, A to F. So let's try to evaluate this first. Since in our problem told us first to scale every vertices by -2 in the x and -2 as well in the y direction. So we will go back, and this is the given problem. A27, yes, and B5, the x, and this is our y, okay? So C and so on and so forth. First, we need to scale -2 by x and -2 as well by y. So since this is the given instruction or this is the given problem, so first we need first to scale the letter A. So you can, as you can see here, letter A is equals to 2 to 7. Then we need to scale it -2 and -2 as well. So first, we need to first to combine the like terms. So which means we need to combine the x into x and y into y so that we can come up in u or an answer for our scaling. So first, since our x and our a is 2, then our y is 7. So as you can see here, our x in our scaling, the given problem is -2. So this is the x 2 and the -2 is x as well. So what that is the like terms. So now we come up the -4 and -14, our letter A, which means we put A prime here so that we can indicate. So since this is important, so that we can indicate that we have a new answer. B 5, x is equals to 5, and y is equals to 10. So as you can see here, uh, in the letter B or in the B vertex, 5 is this the x in our given problem. And this is also a x, the -2. So which means we only combine again the like terms, then so on the other side, and we also come up with -10 and -20 as well. Okay, Since we already discussed the given A and given B in the scaling part, so let's go now and proceed to the next part. Rotate counterclockwise by 90 degrees from 0, 0 point. So since the given question is only 0, 0, or the point is only 0, x and 0 and y, so there is no a lot of complicated solving here, so we can easily come up with a new answer. So let's try to evaluate the letter A. Since it is a rotation, this is the given, the first vertex that you can see, or sorry, the first matrix that you can see, which is 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0. This is a given matrix. Okay, so since we come up with the new answer a while ago, this is 4, sorry, -4 and -14. So this is the new answer, or what which mean is we will going to use the new answer so that we can come up the correct answer after we solve this problem. So we use -4 and -14. So yes, at 3 by 3 matrix, then 1 by 3 matrix. So the next step that we will going to take is a row times column. You can simply multiply the two matrices row by column. So you will end up with -14, sorry, +14 and -4. So therefore, A prime will be 14 and -4. So this is our new answer, okay? In the B as well. So since, let's go back so that we can understand clearly. In the given scale, in the letter B is -10 and -20. So we will going to use this one since this is an updated answer. Sorry. So this is the updated answer, -10 and -20. So we will going to use that in our constant matrix by evaluating rotation. So once again, you need to multiply both matrices. Sorry, yes, matrices. Then row times column as well. Then you will end up with 20 and -10. Therefore, the updated answer is 20 by x. So x is equals to 20 and y is equals to -10. So let's proceed to the third step. Okay, since we are done rotating our object and we already come up with a new answer, so let's go now and proceed to our last step. So last transformation. So it is shearing, or we can shear this in 1 in the x direction and -1 in the y direction, since this is the given question, as you can see here. So when it comes to shearing, there is also a constant matrix that we are going to use. So as you can see, it is the same with our rotation, but it is a different pattern in our shearing. So this is the 1, -1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1. So since we have already come up with an updated answer here, so we're going to use this. The answer here in A prime, counterclockwise, 14 and -4. So as you can see here, this is the one that we are using in shearing. So as you can see here, the same pattern, the same process. So row times column as well, and we will end up with an updated answer again. So same here in our letter B. So as you can see here, we put some indication SA, SB, which means it was already been shared by us or by me. I'm sorry. So as you can see here, we have also an updated answer in our B prime. So SB prime 10 and negative 30. So since it was already been updated, this is our final and result pre-image was already been updated. So since it was already been updated, as you can see in the first part here, our shape, it is formed by heart. Since this is our pre-image and we use a lot of affine transformation, so we use three. First, scaling. Second is rotation. Third is shearing. So we will end up and we come up with this image. Okay, that is my presentation for today about affine transformation. Anyways, special thanks to my mentor, Miss Mary Johnson, my mentor from our school, University of Negros Occidental Recoletos. Thank you so much. Bye.